Hey guys, today I'm back with these interesting nails for you. I was inspired to paint these Alpaca My Bags nails because I saw the images on my moyou London Animal 19 plate, and I remembered that I also have a polish from OPI called Alpaca My Bags. So I thought I'd mix it together and also use some more polishes from the Peru collection from OPI. So if you know I did these, keep watching. So I started off with painting my middle and my ring finger with Alpaca My Bags. And then with my moyou London Animal 19 plate and a black stamping polish, I'm just stamping this big llama with little bubbles around his neck. Keeping him on the stamper, I'm just using, I think it's Susie will catch you later, I think is how you say it. Sorry, I don't speak Spanish. And somewhere over the Rainbow Mountains, I filled in those little dots of baubles around his neck. And then for his face, I painted with a cream colour. And then for the rest of his fur, I painted with a lighter cream. And I'm just carefully putting that polish on the stamper, not digging too far in or you'll ruin the stamp underneath. Once that decal was dry, I'm just using a sponge and a glossy top coat. And I'm just going to dab that over my nail to create the sticky base. And then quickly, I just stamped on that dried decal. There's a little alpaca. And then going in with that same plate, I'm stamping the suitcase, and underneath it says vacation Alpaca My Bags, but I'm going to get rid of that off the stamper and just leave the suitcase. And then with those same polishes as before, I'm just filling in the details of the suitcase. And then once that was dry, I went over it with brown for the actual suitcase part. And then like before, I'm just creating a sticky base. So I'm just using the sponge and a glossy top coat and then dabbing that on my nail. And there you go, I couldn't see through my stamper, so I had to stamp it off camera, I'm afraid. And now I'm just going in with that same plate, same polish, and I'm stamping the vacation Alpaca My Bags. And then using my clear stamper, I can see through and precisely where I'm going to place that stamping. And it just fit. So I'm going in with my index and pinky finger. I'm painting with Somewhere Over the Rainbow Mountains. And then I'm creating a gradient, so I'm using my Hollow Taco protective peel. And with a sponge, I'm using those three colours as before to create a gradient. Carefully going over two coats so it's all squidgy. And then dabbing it on my nails. And then I just kept going until I was happy with the opacity. I think I did 3 coats. Once I was happy with my gradient, I just peeled off my protective peel. But you'll see in a minute how I'm going to regret peeling off the protective peel because I'm going to make a mess everywhere. But here you are enjoying some peel porn. So back with that moyou London Animal 19 plate, I'm stamping this cute sort of llama Aztec design. And then I'm just stamping that on my index and pinky fingers. But because this image has got really thick black parts, when I'm going in with my brush and acetone, it just stains my cuticles, and oh my god, I was filled with so much regret. I eventually managed to get rid of most of the black stamping polish, but you can still see it a little bit. And then I applied a glossy top coat and I was done. And there you go, these Alpaca My Bag nails, and I actually love these, they're great. I was a massive fan of the OPI Peru collection. Shame I couldn't buy all of them at the time because I didn't have a lot of money to spend on nail polish. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe would be good. Thanks so much for watching, bye!